Rest in peace, my grandfather. I had bought one for my grandma. I bought the same car for my grandma. And oh, wait. Is it me or is it? Ooh, I can't tell because of the.
Whd Academy, man. First video here on the channel, y'all. We talking about Whd Academy. If y'all don't know, I have a monthly membership where I'll show you guys how to get your dealer license. Or if you're in a state where it's hard to get your dealer license, I have the plug inside my academy on how to get your dealer license. You don't need no credit score. You ain't got to worry about your credit score. You ain't got to worry about your criminal history, because if y'all didn't know, these are things that come into play when you are trying to get your dealer license in your state. All right, so it don't matter what state you in. For the next 1,500 people, whdacademy.com, I got the plug for y'all. It is a monthly membership at just $1 a day, but you get 50% off my whdacademy.com course, right, which has the plug in there, so you can get your license and you can start flipping cars ASAP. You know what I mean? You ain't got to worry about nothing. The paperwork gonna be taken care of for you. Everything is in the description below, whdacademy.com. You get videos every week. You get to talk to me, get access to my private Discord, and man, I've got a lot of gems in there. But the most important thing, you get 50% off my course just at $100, and I got the plug in there for y'all. I got all my tips, tricks, techniques, everything you need to know in whdacademy.com. Just $1 a day, $30 a month, and again, you get my course for 50% off just at $100. My whole course, $100. All right, you're gonna learn everything: how to properly inspect cars. How to properly inspect cars, the whole nine. All right. Now, let's get into why you most likely will fail at Copart in the insurance auto auction, right? And you most likely will fail because you don't got my academy. You know what I'm saying? You don't got my membership, right? But a lot of people will most likely fail, guys, because you guys are just thinking that, you know, cars are good. You know what I mean? You guys are thinking cars are good. You thinking that every car in the auction, hey, I see a car, it's a nice, let's just say you see a BMW, right, or Audi or something that you like. You like, man, I want this car. It's going for cheap, this, that, and the third. But you don't know the ins and out, the games that the auctions play, the tips and tricks that you need to know when trying to buy a car from the auction. It's a lot that comes into play, but I'm gonna just give y'all one tip on why a lot of you guys are failing at Copart and IAA. The number one reason y'all failing at Copart or IAA, besides not having my monthly membership, right, whdacademy.com, is you guys are not going in person and checking out the cars. You guys are buying cars across state. You guys are buying cars in your state, and you don't even know if it runs. You don't even know if it's going to overheat. You don't know how many check engine lights it got on. You don't know if you get there in person if the suspension is messed up, and now you have to put more money into this car than you originally thought. I'm going to tell you guys right now, unless you just got a whole lot of money to play with, if you are not going out in person and looking at these cars at Copart or IAA, you most likely will be spending more money than you expected to spend. Not saying you're going to lose, but I'm like 70-80% you're going to lose. All right, you don't know how many times I go to the auction, I see a car online. I'm gonna give y'all an example. I seen a Hyundai Sonata online not too long ago, right? I go check the Hyundai Sonata out, and I'm looking at the car, and I'm like, yo, this car is good. This car, you know what I mean? This car is straight. I get to walking around the car some more. I noticed that the suspension is messed up in the rear driver wheel, right? Me personally, I like to drive all my cars home. If you guys know, at Copart and IAA, the insurance auto auction, aka IAA, you cannot drive these cars. Some locations don't even want you cranking up the cars, all right? And if that's the case, I suggest you just not even go to that auction, all right? Just don't go there. Don't spend your money there. Go somewhere else, all right? Because you got some locations that will let you crank up the cars and even give you a jump box. And then you got some locations who aren't playing any of that. They won't even put the key inside the car so you can crank it up. You know what I mean? But the good thing about Copart is they are pretty lenient. They will let you crank up the car. They will let you check out the car. You know what I'm saying? Now, not all auctions let you use a scanner, which is an OBD2 scanner. If you need an OBD2 scanner, link in the description below. I got a scanner that I personally use. You can put it in your pocket. You can hide it. I have to put every car on the scanner. All right, I have to put every car on the scanner. Different strokes for different folks, because in some states, you guys might not have to worry about check engine lights. You guys could probably just resell a car with a check engine light on, and somebody will buy it. In this state, you can't do that. You can't sell nobody a car with a check engine light on because it has to pass emissions, aka smog. Excuse me. And if the light is on, you won't pass smog. All right. But a lot of you are failing because you guys don't know. You're not going in person, and you're not understanding that clear title, salvage title, rebuilt title. Salvage titles in some states, you do have to get the title rebuilt in order to be able to drive it on the street, to be able to register it. You guys are not even understanding that. So you do have to go through a different inspection. This is not a smog inspection. This is a salvage title inspection, a state, a safety inspection. You know what I mean? Like, let's just say your seatbelt is locked up. You're not going to get passed. All right. So there's different things that come into place, but the number one tip that I can give y'all, man, is that y'all go in person to see these cars. All right. Unless you just super mechanically inclined and you got like a parts car in your backyard, you like, shoot, I don't care if it run or not. I'm going to take these parts off this car and put it on this car. Your best bet is to not just see the car in the photos and just be like, okay, I'm buying this. All right. That is not your best bet. Your best bet is to go in person, check out the car, and make sure it's good to go. All right. Now, I am going to insert a clip on a car that I thought was good until I kept looking at it, and I'm just like, something's going on with this car. It was a Hyundai Sonata that I mentioned earlier in this video, so I'm going to go ahead and put that clip right after this, all right? Again, whdacademy.com. Just $1 a month, guys. You get to talk to me. You can schedule one-on-one one-on-one calls with me if you have any questions, and most importantly, you get my course, my whole entire course, for 50% off, just at $100. And I have the plug in there on how to get your license no matter what state you're in. All right, how to get your license, how to get your dealer license, everything's going to be taken care of. All right, so for the next 1,500 people, we got 1,500 spots left who we can get licenses to. Don't matter what state you in. Click the link in the description below. Let me show y'all this Hyundai. whdacademy.com.
whdacademy.com monthly membership just for $1 a day, $30 a month. Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license no matter what state you in and without having an actual car lot. You'll gain access to my private Discord to be able to speak to me anytime, 50% off my full curriculum course, and we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below. Here we are. We made it. Whew, that boy tired. No damage really at all. This is nothing. This is really nothing. Hopefully it has some power, or I will have to walk right back up here. Yes. Please crank up. Perfect. Check engine light is not on. ABS light is on. Traction control light is on. Current bid right now for this car is $2,100. We may be coming home with this thing. We may be. We gotta fully check it out. But it sells in, what time it sells? What time is it now? Okay, we got 15 minutes to check it out, at least until the auction start. And then after that, gotta see what's up. But I'm gonna pass on the Dodge Dakota from yesterday. Now, this is the turbo. Sonata turbo. This is the one after the one I keep buying. Y'all know I keep buying Sonatas, but it's the body style after. This one looks like they had a pet for sure. So we got a vacuum, but that's nothing. Get one of them good vacuums like how we went to yesterday. It'll clean all of this up with no issues. Let me see the camera. Okay, y'all good. I wanted to make sure the lens was clear. So that's really it. Some side damage, easy fix, easy peasy. Looks like they was letting their dog all in the front seat. And what's that? Oh, that's the knob there for that. Okay. So far, so good. Y'all know we had one of these. Grandpa, rest in peace, grandfather. I had bought one for my grandma. I bought the same car for my grandma. And, oh, wait. Is it me or is it? Ooh, I can't tell because of the. Ooh. Damn. I can't tell, bruh. Ooh, my gosh. I guess I'm gonna just go with what I kind of can see with my eye, and I'm not sure if y'all catching it. It's kind of hard because this part is pushed in, right? But it looks as though, to me, y'all probably can see it, that you see it, the back is pushed out and then the front here is pushed in. Oh man. Yeah, that wheel not straight, bro. I can sit here and try to look at it and try to make it seem better than what it is, but nah. We can clearly see that this wheel is tilted out. That being said, yeah, it is, bro. Damn, bro. We ain't gonna be able to. I can move it up and back. I gotta make sure I take my umbrella, y'all. But I ain't. Where ain't going? Yeah, bro. But it's gonna be hard to tell on these rocks. I'm gonna be safe than sorry, I guess, man. Cause unless I can sit here and believe me, y'all, I don't want the wheel to be out, but it just looks like it's out. But I'm trying to figure out, is that because this, okay, see, this part is definitely gonna poke out more because this is not out. So if this, okay, if this was out, I can't tell, bruh. But if you look here, it's definitely out. I might have to leave this one where it's at, y'all. Let's double check one more time. Cause ain't no denying. Yeah, that wheel out. There. See, where is that? Some of you say, hey man, Ray, that's an easy fix, man. It may just be a whatever the case is, but remember, y'all, I ain't got no well, I got a truck. I ain't got no trailer. And that's why the traction control and the ABS light probably on too. I ain't got no trailer, y'all. Even if I did, I'm gonna be, hey listen, man. I'm probably always gonna be, for a long time, one of those people that like to drive his cars home. I just do. I've been doing it for years. Damn, I can't tell, bruh. Or is it the rock? Man, leave this car where it's at before I be crying. I can't. Yeah, that wheel out. That wheel out. Walk away. Walk away. Walk away.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.